Daniel 420. The coco's been cleaned up. Got a lot of nice new healthy leaves. Did a good job. I think I'm cutting these things up, making them look nice. The growth is really nice. I want to say thank you to Doris. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Working on these next. Those are all the new ones. Kind of just sitting in some water. All cleaned up, so next video you see of these things, you should see really nice bonsai leaves forming. Those are part of the new ones as well. And I'll clean up. I cleaned up in there good. These are looking good. These guys are going to be so nice. It's getting a little bit breezy. Now these three have been struggling a little bit. This one's actually not bad. This one has had a little damage, but I think it's going to come around. This one I brought back to life somehow. It was dead, but it's got some new growth coming out in there. So I'm excited for that. But the Daniel 420's collection, like I said, looking good. But like I said, they all should have the nice bonsai appearance next time you see them. Winter's coming. Daniel 420 palms.